What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this one, I'm going to be making a 5-foot wide by 9-foot tall sliding barn door. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a solid ash door, stained up, installed. It's all coming. Stay tuned. I just want to take a second and talk about getting these angles for the K part of the frame, because that's probably the most complicated part of this whole process. But it's actually not very complicated. So all I'm doing is taking the pieces, lining them up on the respective corners that I want them to be at, and I'm just clamping them. And then I'm just gonna lift up the frame and scribe a line. I'll take that to the miter saw and it's right there. I don't have to measure anything, find angles, anything like that. Just scribe a line and good to go. Too easy. All right, y'all, that is a wrap on that project. That door was massive, but it was a lot of fun to build. I know some of y'all are probably thinking, why didn't you install a header board? Well, that's because this was my first barn door project and I didn't think it was necessary. And it wouldn't be necessary if all the studs lined up perfectly, but those holes are pre-drilled. So I ended up going back and tapping some new holes just to secure it even more to the studs. And then the customer just wanted to throw a header board up there just for the look anyway. So they did that, no issues. So learning from that, every set of sliding doors I make moving forward, I'll throw a header board up there. It'll just make it way easier, cleaner, all that good stuff. But that being said, thank you guys for sticking with me during this rebranding transition. As many of you have seen, the channel name has changed, the website has changed. It's now Lazy Lab Acres. I'll eventually put out a video on why we did that. That's just for our long-term goal. We're trying to make this a full-time thing, and I didn't want to limit it to just woodworking in the name. So thank you guys for that. If you want to support the new brand, I'll leave a link in the video description for t-shirts, that kind of stuff. I do have some custom hats coming in by State Legacy Revival Company, local North Carolina company. As you know, I wear this hat every day, so I finally got some with our new logo and a North Carolina flag on there, and they're gonna look really, really nice. Those will be on my website pretty soon. I also set up a Patreon account if you guys wanna check that out. I'm gonna be doing a Q&A video for patrons only, at least once a month, just answering any general questions you guys have or specific questions from a project that I did on YouTube or what I'm currently working on Instagram. So if you guys want to support me over there, I'd appreciate that as well. But that's it. I've got the front porch bench project that I just completed. That video is coming up next, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that. Thank you as always for your support, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. See ya.